Daily use sentences from Kannada to English. ಏನಾಯ್ತು? What happened? What happened? ಹೆಂಗಾಯ್ತು? How did it happen? How did it happen? ನಿನ್ನ ಪರೀಕ್ಷೆ ಹೇಗಾಯ್ತು? How did your exam go? How did your exam go? ನನ್ನ ಪರೀಕ್ಷೆ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಾಯ್ತು. My exam went well. My exam went well. ಅವನು ಸರಿ ಹೇಳ್ತಿದ್ದಾನೆ. He is right. He is right. ನಾನು ಮುಂದಿನ ಬಾರಿ ಬರ್ತೀನಿ. I will come next time. I will come next time. ನಾನು ಆವಾಗಲೇ ತಿಂದೆ. I ate already. I ate already. ಎಷ್ಟು ಮುದ್ದಾಗಿದೆ. How cute. How cute. ಕುರ್ಚಿ ಎಳಿಬೇಡ. Don't drag the chair. Don't drag the chair. ನಿಂಗೆ ಗಾಯ ಆಗಬಹುದು. You might get hurt. You might get hurt.